Welcome to the world of Chia offer files, where true peer-to-peer trading begins. Most people trade through exchanges or AMMs, but what if you could trade directly, wallet to wallet? No middleman.
That's exactly what offer files do. They're like digital handshake agreements, cryptographically secure and self-custodied.
They're partially signed transactions, only complete when both sides agree. No risk, no slippage, and no trust required.
Trading on a CEX or AMM exposes you to risk, like insolvence or slippage, and offer files is a direct, secure trade.
The maker starts by defining what they're offering and what they want in return. The wallet builds the offer file. Easy as that.
Offers aren't on chain yet. They're just text files you can share anywhere, private chats, or public boards like Dexy.
The taker loads the offer, checks its validity, and if they agree, their wallet finishes the transaction.
When confirmed, it settles atomically. Both trades succeed together or not at all. Counterparty risk? Gone.
You can even swap NFTs directly. No need to sell one just to buy another. And royalties? Enforced at the protocol level.
Combined with credential-restricted CATs and the data layer, offer files pave the way for trading real-world assets compliantly.
It's not perfect yet. Discovering offers and simplifying the experience are the next big goals.
But the foundation is rock solid, trustless, global, and always self-custody.
Chia offer files. Peer-to-peer trading. Redefined.
Trade smart, trade free, trade Chia.